Today, I'll show you exactly how to remove someone from a project in Asana. Maybe you're updating your team, wrapping up a collaboration, or simply need to tidy up your workspace. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know how to swiftly and smoothly manage access to your projects. Let's dive right in and tackle it together, step by step. First, open the project from which you want to remove the member. If you've got a lot of projects going on in Asana, make sure you're in the right one. Sometimes the project names can be similar, so double-check before you start. Just open up Asana, navigate to the left sidebar, and click into the project where you want to make these changes. Doing this ensures that you're making adjustments exactly where you intend, and not affecting another team or workflow. Once you're in the project, look for the Share option at the top right of your screen. In Asana, this is typically an icon that looks a little like a person with a plus sign, or sometimes it simply says Share. Clicking this opens up a list of everyone who currently has access to this project. That's your control panel for team management within the project. So it's important to become familiar with this section. It's kind of like a guest list for an event. This is where you see who's able to view and contribute right now. Now, scan the list of project members to find the person you'd like to remove. Take it slow here. Names and email addresses can look similar, especially if you're working with a big team or external collaborators. If you're not sure, you can usually click on the profile icon or hover over their name to get a little more detail, like their email. Making sure you select the right person is crucial because removing someone by mistake could mean they lose access to important updates or tasks. So take your time and double-check that you've got the correct team member. When you've located their name, click on their current role, which is often labeled as member right next to their name. This role indicator is actually a small drop-down menu, and it's your gateway to managing permissions. Sometimes you'll see different roles like admin, commenter, or editor, depending on how granular your team's setup is. Clicking here brings up the options you can apply to that person's access. From the drop-down that appears, select Remove from Project. This is the key action. But before you do, let's pause a moment to think about what it means. By removing someone from the project, you're ensuring they no longer see project updates or tasks. It's not the same as deleting them from your entire Asana workspace. They'll still have access to other projects and tasks if they're involved elsewhere. So if you just want to restrict access to this specific project without impacting their other work, this is the right choice. Go ahead and click Remove from Project. Asana will usually ask for a quick confirmation just to be sure this isn't an accidental click, and that's always a helpful safeguard. Confirm your choice, and that's it. The selected person will immediately lose access to the project. Don't worry if it takes a few seconds for the changes to update. Sometimes, especially in larger organizations, it might take Asana a moment to sync up. And you're done. You've just successfully managed your project members with confidence, making sure only the right people have the right level of access. If you found this tutorial helpful, I'd appreciate it if you give the video a like. And if you have any questions about Asana or managing your team, drop them in the comments below. I love helping out. Make sure to subscribe for more clear, practical tutorials like this, so you can keep mastering your workflow every day. Thanks for watching.